you doing? What's wrong with that thing? Bonfire night in London. Oh well, yeah, you're right. Today it's the 4th. Fireworks. Whoa. Stupid little kids. Can't really see much from here, but get the idea. It's Britain's version of July fireworks. Cool. And that's it. Look at Lauren. And you can hear car alarms going off. Yeah.